In this video, I will show you how to make a table in WordPress. Let's get started. In order to make this possible, we need to head over and edit this particular page that I'm in. So you can choose any page for this one. So let's click on this edit page right here. And then once we have clicked on that particular edit page, we should be able to see the block editor of WordPress itself. So I have in here the block editor loading. And here it is right here. So on the space that you have, you can click on it and you can put in here a slash and search in here for table. Now we can see that we have this table right here. So let's head over and click on that. And then once you have clicked on that, it will actually add a table right here. Just put in the column count and also the row count. So for example, for this one, let's choose in here a column count of 3 and a row count of 5. Click on this create table right here, and as you can see, it has been added. So you can just head over and then put in here the things that you want to put. For example, let's put in here size. Let's put in here bust. And let's also put in here waist. And you can proceed to enter the details that you want for this one. And head over and then add everything that you want as well. And then once you're done editing everything, just head over and then click on the save option available right here, and then you should be good to go. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.